how to change map style in Google Earth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the map style in your Google Earth app. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Google Earth and then search for any location, and then you can see a square icon in the top right. Go ahead and tap on it. And then here you can see various styles like clean. So this has no labels and just the earth. So if you tap on this, this is what it looks like. Now you can go again and then you can see explorer. So this provides borders, labels, places and roads, but it is quite minimal. So another one is you can just tap on everything and then it will show all borders, labels, places, even roads, transits, and landmarks. And finally, you can tap on custom and you can choose your own look and feel. So if you want it, just tap on it and it will be ticked. Similarly, you can just tick and untick according to your preference. And then that's it. The map will change instantly for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.